So we're back here at the farm. We got the tractors all greased up, and the grapple, and the mini clip, and the wood chipper. Anyway, but we're ready to go get started, and we're going to go ahead and right behind me right here. That's where we're going to be cleaning it up today for my chicken area. So let's get at it. Little deer print. Got plenty of wildlife here, don't we, Gizmo?
Yeah, a gizmo print.
Yeah. Well, let's get started.
Big love, big love.
So what a difference. A little bit of time we're going to get this cleaned out, but what a difference already. It's just this may see what it can look like. There are bugs everywhere today. That one is harassing me right here. Waiting for a long time to get my chicken area started. Now you'll be able to at least see something at all. I mean, it's crazy how overcrowded it was. Something getting after you. driving back here, got the camera running right now. There is a really fine dust flying everywhere, and I have allergies really, really bad, so I'm trying not to inhale it too much, so I sit back and just let the camera run. So, yeah, Sun Crime is doing a good job, though. So back here, there's a big gully right here, and we're going to be planning dumping everything in here because we're trying to fill it up. It's pretty deep, and it goes a little bit further down this way, but we're going to be, like I said, we're going to be filling it up, and instead of carrying it to the other side, we're just going to start dropping it in here. So, but what a difference. I mean, what a difference. And here are like ferns growing everywhere, wild ferns. They're just beautiful. I'm gonna pick me some, put some on my planter. And this is what it was. He couldn't even stand you before. Like I said, it's a big difference here. Big, big difference. I think those knots that's twisted around, I think it's pretty neat. Nature's pretty cool though. So we got a lot done today. We have cleared a lot of the brushes and the overgrown stuff air right over there, so that turned out really nice today. We worked maybe like 6 hours here today, and we both are really wore out. So I'm going to go ahead and pull a little bit more grass before he goes, while he's finished up back there, and then we're just going to call it a day and then come back tomorrow and continue. But I'm excited. The area is going to be nice. We're going to start cleaning that area up, and then when we get that all cleaned up, we're going to take the flame oil, go over it, and then box plate it, spread it out some and everything, what we need to do, and clean it up. And then slowly you get moved everything over here. So one step at a time, and I'm going to pull some grass before we go home, and I will see y'all next video. God bless y'all. Bye. So it's a start. I'm going to come in here every day and pull some out. The best and easy way to do it is when it's wet. And I have to be in shape because being out in the harsh sun, it's just, I can't take it right now. So, but yeah, here it is. And a whole bunch to go. I'll get it done. And it's sweet time. Oh, goodness. God bless.